side of it, I said, I wonder when we're going to just randomly come around and go up the side of one of these and see a volcano in front of us. And about that time, we saw this. And if you look in the back, there's a volcano. We're at Arenal.
After a long drive in from Poas, we decided to get some refreshments, which we got at the Lava Lounge. The drinks were cold and the atmosphere was great. It was really a nice place. The menu included the usual bar fare, including some great apps and several regional beers to choose from. Next, we went to the Sloth Park to see what kind of wildlife we could find, and to walk off a few of those calories. Don't look, buddy. Hola, hola. Hello, little froggy. Move, do something. Yeah, he's done with me.
So here are some leafcutter ants. They're just going down the tree and carrying them into their little hole. Right back up the tree they go.
The path opened up with a great view of the volcano nearby. A few yards back into the jungle, we saw a sloth carrying her baby. I was so excited and I couldn't believe that we had seen the star of the show this early in our vacation. They must be really itchy little creatures, because every time we saw a sloth, eventually we saw it scratching. It was kind of funny, really. Okay, so these ceiba trees are just awesome, and I had to take a picture with this one because I knew there wasn't any way I was going to see a bigger tree than this on our trip. How crazy is it that to get to the place where I'm staying, I have to walk directly at a volcano? This is insane. I just can't believe it, and it's not even cloudy today. It usually is covered in clouds. It's just so awesome. Dinner, we had a dozen tacos from Spectacular and washed them down with a pitcher of margaritas. A couple of cervezas as well. It was early the next morning that I made my first enemy of the trip, a long-tailed grackle.
So this nice little black speck up there, who just spoke to you, also woke us up this morning. He was so loud, I don't know if you can tell from the video or not, but he was so loud that we thought he'd actually made it into this room, the bathroom, and it was quite an experience.
After our rude awakening, we went out for some coffee and breakfast before we headed out on the day's adventures. I highly recommend stopping at the Red Frog for coffee one morning. It's a great place.
This is where we're going, and supposedly to get to the bottom of the waterfall, it is 500 steps down and then 500 steps to get back up. So right in front of me on that leaf, there is a snail. Look at him. Hi, little fella. I know. So there she blows. We're almost there. Just a few more steps and a few more and a few more, and we're there. It is pouring the rain, but I don't care, because I have a feeling that I'm going to be swimming in a minute anyway, and we'll be soaking wet, so it does not matter. Hey, look, you'll see this little fish swimming here. There are actually quite a few of them. And they are pretty good size. You can see them there. See next to this dude who's filming them with his smartphone. That's awesome. And there's even more waterfall over here going down the other way. Super.
I will tell you that even on a cool, rainy day, the stairs back up are no joke. The waterfall is also home to a bromeliad garden that includes many species from Costa Rica and around the world. The bromeliad family also includes Spanish moss, many succulents, and pineapples. There is also a butterfly garden at the top, but there were only a few species out, including these two variations of glasswing butterflies.
So I'm waiting to try to catch a zip liner. I don't know if I will or not, but if I do, it will be cool. Give them a second and see if anybody goes down. I just saw two. Can't really see, but almost parallel with. Yeah, here he comes. There they go.
I made a slow-mo take for us old folks to be able to see it a little easier.